NHS organisations up and down the country are under immense pressure at the moment, and not only in ways you might think. We all know what a fantastic job NHS staff do. And at Tisky, we're on a mission to simplify centralised services, free up valuable resources and help you focus on the tasks that matter most. Manual processes can take up a great deal of time for frontline staff and the teams supporting them behind the scenes. So we're working to drastically reduce or eliminate these completely. Our team have proven experience of introducing Microsoft Dynamics 365 technology to the healthcare sector, automating day-to-day tasks and enabling the NHS to work smarter to provide better care than ever before. For example, at the height of the pandemic, we partnered with the NHS Business Services Authority to simplify the process of procuring PPE, enhance their contact centres' support and self-service capability, and allow them to better understand lab testing capacity, all vital components of the COVID-19 response. With time a critical factor, we worked in close collaboration to make sure service requests were delivered in a matter of days. NHS BSA has proven this technology works, and our continued partnership stands as testament to the difference it can and will continue to make. We have already delivered change that NHS BSA forecasts a 49% reduction in required operator input and a 75% increase in the volume of electronic inquiries processed in the next 18 months. We will continue to work with NHS BSA to unlock further resource and drive efficiencies. Away from the world of centralised services, we've worked alongside Nottingham University Hospital's NHS Trust, helping them reduce overseas visitor debt, boost private patient satisfaction and limit unnecessary contact by using Microsoft Tech to streamline their processes and enhance their offering. At Tisky, our friendly and reliable team of experts have what it takes to transform your most time-consuming and business-critical processes for the better. As a Microsoft Gold partner and part of the coveted inner circle, we're tried, tested and trusted by the public and private sectors. Our experience of delivering successful tech projects in healthcare environments has equipped us with the knowledge and skill needed to implement Microsoft's leading platform quickly and painlessly, no matter what your organisation's role within the NHS is. Technology can make a world of difference when we need it most. To find out how Tisky can help you take the first step towards digital transformation, visit our website or get in touch today.